Let's take a deep dive into using ChatGPT as an affiliate marketer. ChatGPT, the AI, as an assistant to help us uncover new opportunities and a way of thinking or a way of having a conversation to get the details that we need to know. Here inside of ChatGPT, I am asking it a question. Can you give me 5 pain points for obese people that need to lose weight but have failed every time they tried? My thought process here as an affiliate marketer is to dive deep into the struggles of people that are obese and trying to lose weight. Of course, ChatGPT then comes back and it says for sure or certainly, here are 5 common pain points that obese individuals may experience when they try to lose weight. Difficulty sticking to a diet, lack of motivation, physical limitations, emotional eating, as well as social pressures. Now, as an affiliate, if I were to go to Google and look for best diet for obese women, I'm going to get, of course, a bunch of results. And inside of those results, or one of the top results, versus the snippet here and WebMD, and people also ask, which is a great source of information, but we're focused here on utilizing ChatGPT or diving deeper into what the AI can do for us and how it can actually help us as an affiliate marketer. A weight loss for morbidly obese women from Livestrong. We go here and we see from Livestrong.com a weight loss plan for morbidly obese women. It dives into the content to include a key topic here that I think is important, or I think that we can feed this information to the AI and get more detail, especially when we're looking at diving deeper into Chat AI or ChatGPT, the AI, to help us create compelling content. Of course, there are about four paragraphs, and we're going to borrow this content. Again, we're going to take this content and see what ChatGPT can give us back to help us create our own. And I want to emphasize that, create our own content, not take this and spin it in the hopes that it'll rank fast, quick, and easy, but using the AI to help us think and dive deeper into the niche and into the problems and into the content that we know is ranking on the first page of Google. So we go back to ChatGPT, and before we dive into using that content, let me show you what I'm going to do here. What I've done is I've continued the conversation and I've asked ChatGPT, can you give me stats on obesity and expected lifespan? And of course, it did give me some stats. Also understand OpenAI and ChatGPT, they both say in their terms and their conditions and in their disclaimers that you have to validate all this information, any information that you get from ChatGPT, just like in a Google search, actually. Anything you read online is not 100% true. You need to have a way to validate that as an expert on the topic. I'm continuing the conversation and I'm diving deeper into what ChatGPT can give me as an affiliate marketer, specifically about this topic. And in this case, I'm going to take the stats and I'm going to take those 5 common pain points, and then I'm going to continue the conversation with ChatGPT by simply telling it or giving it an input and setting the context to continue the conversation. Now, can you turn the pain points and stats into 3 compelling reasons for an obese person to try a new diet program called Diet X and target middle-aged women with kids? And the target is middle-aged women with kids. And of course it says, sure, here are 3 compelling reasons: improved health outcomes, increased life expectancy, as well as family role model or becoming a family role model. Now go back to that Livestrong article, changing your diet, tried and true weight loss strategies, and then some more paragraphs here to really dive into the content that is required or the content that we need to really become efficient with or create compelling content around this problem of being obese, this problem, again, that I've looked at, in this case, 3 compelling reasons to use Diet X and target middle-aged women with kids. So I continue the conversation with ChatGPT by saying, give me an outline for a blog post from this content. And then I pasted this content into the chat. Change your diet, or changing your diet, the tried and true weight loss strategy of reducing your calorie intake, avoid foods that are high in fat and simple sugars, increasing your fiber intake and lean proteins. Go back to this article and you can see that I simply just copied this and pasted it back in. And now it's given me an outline for me to build. And I want to emphasize this, for me to build my own compelling content based upon the conversation up to this point, me giving the AI ChatGPT input around this topic, then going out and finding the article that ranks for best diet for obese women and looking for something other than what we see here from webmd.com or harvard.edu or hart.org, and looking for an option. There are other options, and also see this ad for Nutrisystem for women. You can remember, or you can go back to the chat, and you can see here where I call the diet program Diet X. Of course, as an affiliate, you either already have an offer or you can be looking for an offer around this idea or this concept of creating compelling content for the reasons that we've identified inside of ChatGPT, or the pain points or the struggles for people that are obese, specifically targeting middle-aged women with kids. So back to this concept of giving me an outline for a blog post. Again, a blog post that I can create. Now I have a title for a new blog post, a title for me to start, a starting point for me to dive deeper and create compelling content. It gives me an introduction. Losing weight can be a challenge, but the good news is that reducing calorie intake can achieve your goals of weight loss, no matter how much weight you need to lose. Then it gives me reducing calorie intake. It gives me another section here, avoiding high fat simple sugars, increasing fiber intake, and then another section in here about lean proteins, as well as a conclusion. And again, we go back and we look and we're thinking, of course, we're thinking about using ChatGPT, the AI, but we go to Google and we looked and we went past WebMD to Livestrong and we checked out that article and we scroll down through here. And now let's step back for a second and look and say, now what about this offer? This offer here, there's an ad running, weight loss built for women. Again, we are targeted specifically here for obese women, and we have found Nutrisystem. If we check out that Nutrisystem.com from that ad, you can see here, get the weight loss plan. It has it all. Tons of information here that we could take and feed back into, or ask ChatGPT if it knows about Nutrisystem and the marketing for Nutrisystem. Of course, as an affiliate, if you go down here, just for completeness to understand what we're looking at here across the board is diving into ChatGPT, but also understanding that as an affiliate, the complete picture here, we need an offer, and this is over at linkshare.com. You can see the URL here on the affiliate link from the Nutrisystem.com page or sales page for this product, which is a diet product targeting women and men, different areas, different ways to bring them into the Nutrisystem or to the system that you can become an affiliate for. And of course, here on Google, you can keep scrolling down. You can also see some other information. You can also see some other angles here. For example, overweight and pregnant. There are some articles here, but you can also see ads here for Noom, Jenny Craig, Huel. Also here is another article about pregnancy. So that might be something that you feed into ChatGPT. But back to ChatGPT and this idea of using ChatGPT or diving deeper into the AI to really understand how it can help us. In this case, creating a blog post and then moving on and thinking, how can ChatGPT give me more information that I need to help me rank or to improve my SEO? Of course, it gave me all this information, an outline for the article. The next step would be to give me a list of LSI keywords from this chat. Sure, here's a list of LSI keywords based on the content of our conversation. Again, these are going to be keywords that are related, that have a connection to the information that is in that blog post outline. Using these keywords is going to help you rank your content because you're going to hit more of the information that Google is looking for to make the connection that you are an authority on what you're talking about in the topic in the blog post that you've created. Another thing that ChatGPT can do for us as we dive deeper into it is we can simply dive into the world of SEO, but keep it in the context of what we're talking about here. The chat that we're talking about obesity, and we moved into targeting women with kids. But the idea here is we back off and we say, can you also give me other related keywords and make a table showing the difference between related keywords and LSI keywords if they are different. So back up a little bit again and think, yes, you need to know and understand a little bit about SEO. You can actually learn about it like I'm doing here. And that is the deep dive, really. You're deep diving into the topic that you want to cover, which is the content that you're going to create that's going to create traffic over to offers for the people that are interested in solving the problem that you are hitting. Those pain points that we started with. But in this case, we've moved past that. And now we're taking a break inside of this chat and we're saying, let me set a little context for the AI as well as myself. And let me compare related keywords to LSI keywords, because related keywords and LSI keywords are different, but they're also the same. So the AI ChatGPT can break that down for you on the fly as you're doing your research inside of your topic. Sure, here are some other related keywords. Here is also a table showing the difference between related keywords and LSI keywords. And at this point, now you have a table for the category weight loss, health, and women's health, related keywords versus LSI keywords. And then ChatGPT is literally going to tell you here or give you more information that you need to know about SEO as you're doing research on the fly for the topic. Again, the topic we started with, obesity, and those pain points for obese people that are trying to lose weight. But again, back to this, LSI keywords are terms that are closely related to the primary keyword, while related keywords are broader terms that may or may not be directly related to the primary keyword. LSI keywords are useful for optimizing content for search engines and improving relevance and clarity, while related keywords are helpful for exploring broader topics and identifying new content ideas. Continue the conversation here with ChatGPT about that detail. Again, coming up with more ideas, LSI keywords, related keywords, doing that research, tapping into what the AI can tell you about the offer. Again, the Nutrisystem offer that we found via Google. Take that back, input that into ChatGPT. Think about the problem, the pain points that will lead people over to the Nutrisystem, and how the Nutrisystem, that particular offer or any of the other offers that you found over on Google, how that relates to solving the pain points or the problems that the people have and the content that you're creating. Mirror all that together and really deep dive in and let ChatGPT continue the conversation, or continue the conversation with ChatGPT and let ChatGPT give you information and guide you on the path of creating helpful content as an affiliate marketer. Of course, once you create all this content, you have to make sure that you take what you've learned and all the information that you've gathered and put it into the correct format, whether that's a blog post or whether that is a YouTube video, and start a YouTube channel or start a blog and get the traffic that you need to build a profitable online business. And to see a little bit more about how to do that and how to think and really put all that together, check out the video you see right here. Look forward to seeing that video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.